Hey Cheyenne, if you get this, I'm about to take my first, or shall I say second step outside in the pouring rain. Be sure to watch this and let me know what you think of it later. Let's go. Here we go. Look at that. I'm about to step outside. Hopefully you get rest. I'm outside now. If you can see this, it is pouring very hard out here. And I'm taking my very first step in the rain. Yeah, see? I'm in the rain. It is so nice. Feels so good. Alright. And look how badly pouring it is. Cheyenne, if you get this video, be sure to let me know what you think of it later. Alright. Bye.